Hey guys, welcome to your Michigan Compass. Today I'm in downtown Howell because we've got some food trucks here. It's a mini food truck rally that they do once a month, and we're going to check this out. They've got 4 food trucks today. We're going to see what they have to offer. They've been doing this for the past, I think, 2 or 3 years, and we're going to try some food. So come along with us. The food truck rallies are located in downtown Howell, right in front of the historic courthouse. It's no longer a courthouse, it's now used for record keeping, but that's where it's taking place, right here on Grand River. Well, it looks like the first truck we see is the Shove It pizza truck. And unfortunately, I'm not in the mood for pizza today. We will take a look at their menu, and I did look up all of these trucks online just to see what their menu was like, what they had to offer, and I'll put links to all of the ones that I found in the show notes. So it looks like they have an offering of an $8 or $11 pizza, each featuring different things. The $8 pizzas offer a few less toppings than the $11 pizzas, it looks like. We've got a margarita pizza, pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, spinach garlic feta pizza, and a cheesy garlic breadstick. Down under the $11 selection, spinach garlic feta chicken pizza, meathead pizza, barbecue chicken bacon ranch pizza, and a chicken artichoke pesto pizza. I also just noticed that they have this sticker on the side of their truck that tells you all of their information if you're interested in looking them up or finding out where they're at on what days. Here's all of the contact information to find them. One of the food truck rally regulars that's here almost every month is Fortune Cooking. It's Asian fusion cuisine on the go, and they also have their contact information listed right here on the side of their truck. Now let's take a look at their menu. Honey sesame chicken, General Tso chicken, chicken and mixed vegetable stir-fried vegetarian delight, Thai beef, ginger and garlic shrimp, chicken and vegetable fried rice, and they have some daily specials. They also have sides of egg rolls and crab cheese rangoons. I have eaten here a few times in the past, so I won't be sampling this one today. And over here we have the Hero or Villain truck. This one I have not seen before. However, I did look them up before coming out here, and I checked out their menu, and I am actually going to be trying this today because it looked like they had some really good stuff on the menu. And they have a special. I hope they actually have it today. It said they have a special for May, and it's the Star-Lord sandwich, and I'm going to try that one today. The Hero or Villain food truck says it is rated as Food Network's one of their top 25 food trucks in the USA. And just like the last trucks, contact information right there on the side of the truck. Here's a look at the menu for Hero or Villain. And as you can see, there's a couple of blank spots up there on the board. Those blank spots, those are items that they have sold out of. So another reason to get here, probably no later than the middle of the time slot that they're here, or you may not be able to get the item you're looking for because they may run out. And before I place my order with Hero or Villain, I wanted to point out they have one other small food trailer here. It's called Great Lakes Baker, and I couldn't find their contact info, but here it is on this sign, and it looks like they've got lots of bakery items here. I see cookies and cupcakes and other sweets. So maybe we'll have to have some dessert after we have our sandwich. All right, well, the order has been placed, and I got the Star-Lord with the waffle fries. So hopefully in a few minutes, I'll be enjoying a nice warm sandwich. And there it is, the Star-Lord sandwich. It's steak, cheddar, romaine, tomatoes, pickles, onions, with Thousand Island on a hoagie. Just missed the chime of the clock tower. It's 1 p.m. right now. One more hour before the food truck rally ends. By the way, I didn't mention this food truck rally goes from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. So if you're in the downtown Howell area, you can stop by and pick up food from these food trucks anytime throughout then. But I do want to warn you guys, I have seen some of these food trucks leave a half hour early or so. There's quite a few people out here today for the food truck rally. This brings quite a few people to the downtown area, and there is some outdoor seating, nothing spectacular, but you can sit along this railing here and even back that way. Here's some details. The food truck rally is held on the second Tuesday of the month, May through September, 11 to 2 p.m. Alrighty, thank you, sir.
Have a great one.
You too. Alright, looks like we got our food. Let's see if we can find a place to take this over and eat. Alright, so we've got our food, and I'll show you guys what we're looking at. That was really good. Good size, good looking sandwich. Plenty of waffle fries. I would totally order this again. All right, well, as mentioned earlier, I'm going to stop over to the Great Lakes Baker and see what they've got here. It looks like they've got some sweets. I might get something to take home with me. There's something right there, the perfect size. It's a cake bite, 50 cents. I'm going to try one of those. All right, well, there it is. I got a couple of cake bites. I'll probably eat one of these now and take one home. They do this every second Tuesday of the month from 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. Downtown Howell. If you live in the area, you work in the area, or you just happen to be out in the area for the day, stop by and try something from one of these food trucks. Food's great. When I was here the other day for the food truck rally, it occurred to me that there was one more place in downtown Howell that you guys should see. So I decided to come back 2 days later on Thursday to show you. And it's located just a block away on Michigan Avenue. We're going to take a shortcut through this alleyway to get there. One of the first things I should tell you is that if you come here on the weekend, expect to stand in line for up to an hour, because that's the kind of demand this place has. Located just a half a block north of Grand River on Michigan Ave, you'll find one of the most popular destinations in downtown Howell. So popular, in fact, that on weekends the line can wrap around the corner of the block. M Street Baking Company has been serving up some of the most amazing desserts for the last 4 years. But you might be surprised at their most popular selling item. Let's head inside and take a look around. Just look at that display case filled with amazing baked goods. Those little pizzas look amazing, and those pizza rolls are the best I've ever had. Just look at these cookies: coconut macaroons, peanut butter cookies, molasses cookies, puppy chow cookies, and the cannolis. Oh, the cannolis are so good. But even with all these amazing baked goods, the most popular item is not on display here. This refrigerated case is full of beverages and edible cookie dough, macarons, and even desserts in a jar. The inside is decorated beautifully, but this wall in particular has recipes on it. Now, I've never tried any of these recipes, but some of them look really good. There's a recipe for frosting, sweetbread, different pies, and guess what? There's even a recipe for punchkis. Yep, punchkis. And in case you're not familiar with that term or you don't know what it means, punchkis are a traditional Polish donut served typically on Fat Tuesday. Now, believe it or not, their most popular selling item is milkshakes. They typically have a monthly custom milkshake in addition to the ones you can find on this menu right here. Today, I decided to go with chocolate donut. M Street Bakery is home to some of the most amazing customized milkshakes you'll ever see. You can also see some of those amazing baking artists in the back making cakes for weddings and birthdays and things like that. And they also have the most amazing cupcakes. I've had these a few times at weddings before, and they are the best. Now, normally you'd be able to exit out the back of M Street Bakery into this smaller alley that is decorated quite nicely. And typically they would have a few seats and tables out here. And there it is, the chocolate donut milkshake. Just going to point out the outside of the rim, about an inch down from the top, is lined with sprinkles and a white chocolate coating. There's whipped cream. There's a Hershey's bar, a small mini cupcake, and of course, we've got our chocolate donut. Whipped cream, chocolate, and I believe maybe even a little caramel. And if you look, it looks like chocolate ice cream inside. Let's try it out. Oh, that's amazing. So good. That donut's nice and fresh too. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that compass so you can stay tuned for videos just like this one. We'll see you next time, and remember, adventure is just a short drive away. Those are good. Really good.